This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework, AP Physics, Homework 4.2, Question 1. A small ball of mass 58 grams is suspended from a string length 48 centimeters. Oh man, grams and centimeters. I'm going to have to deal with that, I bet. And whirled in a circle lying in a horizontal plane. If the string makes an angle of 24 degrees with the vertical, so this must be 24 degrees, find the centripetal force experienced by the ball. The acceleration of gravity is 9.8, answer in newtons. So, free body diagram. I know I've got gravity pointing down, and I've got a tension up at this angle. Well, the tension must split up into a tension in the x direction, which I'll just call Fx, and a tension in the y direction, which is Fy. I don't like drawing those on the same free body diagram because you get points off on the AP Physics exam for doing that, but I'm going to make them dotted lines for now and just kind of look at that. Well, what I know is that y must equal gravity, and I know that the force in the x direction is that only unbalanced force, so the force in the x direction must be my centripetal force. So the string makes an angle of 24 degrees, find the centripetal force. So I'm looking for my x component. But I know that y equals gravity. I also know that the tangent of the angle is going to be, the tangent of this 24 degree angle here, is going to be Fx over Fy, because this is also Fy. If we drew that bigger, we would get Fy this way, Fx this way, and this is 24 degrees. So the tangent of the angle is going to be Fx over Fy. But Fx is Fc, and I'm looking for the centripetal force, so I'm going to multiply by Fy, so I will get Fx equals Fy times the tangent of theta. Well, Fx is going to be my centripetal force that I'm looking for. Fy is going to be the mass times gravity, because that's my force of gravity, times tan theta. So my centripetal force is going to be mg tan theta. So it's looking for the centripetal force, so that's what I'm looking for. The only tricky thing here is the mass, and the mass is 58 grams. And to get that into kilograms, I'm going to divide by 1,000, so the mass is 0.058 kilograms. So with that mass and the gravity and the theta, I can find my centripetal force without ever finding the tension in the cable, without ever using the 48 centimeters, without ever using the r from mv squared over r. So that will get me my centripetal force.